ATL Web Radio got your girl Chica Simone in the house and my homegirl, the Blonde Bombshell. What's up, y'all? We got a little something to tell you, but first, shout out again to Morse Code and Urban Sound. They're doing it pretty big right now, but we're about to do it pretty big too, I think. I know.
We're trying to catch up with that.
I think so, and we need to. But, check it out, y'all. We are going to actually have a show on Mondays from 8 to 10, and I need y'all to tune in. That's www.atlwebradio.com, and it is going to feature myself, Chica Simone, and the Blonde Bombshell, and it is Seductive Mondays. So for all y'all out there, who like to just wind down after work, drink a glass of wine, a little bit something like myself, candlelight, got that special person in your life you just want to chill with and wind down with, I think this is a show to watch.
It definitely sounds like it would be.
I think so. So Mondays, tune in. Wednesdays, tune in. And Fridays, every day something's going on. So, just keep this web show on your bookmarks. Okay?
Urban Sounds got it on lock.
That's
Sounds
right.
right to me, guys. I hope you guys tune in and see what else we got going on.
That's right. Big ups to Book It All Entertainment. So y'all look for me tonight, too. Taboo 2. Plugging that in. So going out tonight, Taboo 2. You going out in ATL, South Roswell Road. So we'll hit you back later. All right? Here you go.